Number 1, the offices of the Commission will open every day from Monday to Friday, excluding public holidays between the hours of 8:30 and 4:30, or as determined by the Commission. Number 2, documents may be filed with the Commission during the hours referred to in Sub-Rule 1. Number 3, notwithstanding Sub-Rule 2, documents may be emailed or referred using the official Commission electronic referral online portals at any time and on any day of the week to the Commission. Number 3, how to calculate time periods in these rules. Number 1, for the purposes of calculating any period of time in terms of these rules, A, day means a calendar day, and B, the first day is excluded and the last day is included, subject to Sub-Rule 2. Number 2, the last day of any period